Hey guys, it's Maymay, and I'm so excited to be here telling you about our birthday Bash-A-Cropolis. If you don't know, in May this year, I turned 50, and we want to have a big old birthday themed event, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Now, this event is May 3rd through the 7th, and it is an online event. You do not have to travel or go anywhere further than your craft room or your dining room or your living room, wherever you craft. These tickets are going to go on sale tomorrow, March the 1st at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time on our website, MaymayEvents.com. Now, I want you to hear that. It is not our regular website. It is our special event site that we use, MaymayEvents.com. We'll put that on the screen for you to see. Now, we have tried to make this super simple for you guys, okay? You are only going to have to choose from 2 bundles, all right? You'll have a morning class option and an evening class option. That's all you got to choose from. Every bundle, morning class bundle, evening class bundle, have the same classes in them. The only thing that is different is the morning bundle. The classes are at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, and the evening bundle, the classes are at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now, each one of those bundles includes 4 classes brought to you by me, Brenda, Lisa, and Kim, the Made It's, right? You also get a Make It Go Round on Saturday morning. That's a lot of fun, a lot of crafting in that one. And then we have the big birthday bash that ends the day out on Saturday. And that birthday bash is going to have everything from games to prizes to funny stories and fun together. We're also including in this event some Zoom crops, so you can Zoom with other crafters that are attending the event. That's new for us, but I think it's going to be fun. And you'll see a Maymay staff member, crew member in those events every day while they're going on. So all you have to do tomorrow at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time is head to MaymayEvents.com. Choose if you want morning bundle classes or evening bundle classes. The bundle is $249.99, and that does not include shipping. And I want to explain that because we've had some questions about it. A lot of people tell me I should include shipping. Here's the issue. If I include shipping, many times I have to average it across the board, and that means that many people will pay much more for their shipping than other people do, because a lot of you guys live kind of close to us and you can get a really affordable shipping. Now, it also means this, and we do this in our regular store as well as at our events. If when it's time to ship this kit to you, we can save you money, we will refund you the difference. So these kits are scheduled to ship April 1st or starting April 1st. If you start to see a $3, $4, $5, sometimes $10 refund from us, then you'll know it's because we were able to save you on your shipping. Now, the most important thing of the whole day, I hope you stuck to here because this is the most important thing you can know. When you purchase your bundle, you will receive an email. That email is your ticket to the event, okay? It has all the links you're going to need. It has all of the information you're going to need. It tells you everything you need to know. I'm going to challenge you to read that email like you were looking for a typo, and you probably will find some. And the reason I say that is you're going to need to know that information to have the best event you could possibly have, okay? So the only other thing I need to tell you is this. If you want to go ahead and get a jump start on tomorrow's purchasing, you can head to the website now, MaymayEvents.com, and make sure you have an account set up. If you've purchased from our site before, you will already have an account, but you might want to be sure you can sign into it. Make sure you know your password and go ahead and get your account set up, and that'll help your purchasing tomorrow go a little faster. Also, if you have questions, we will be open Tuesday morning, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Feel free to call us and ask questions to get any clarification, or you can shoot us an email now at info@MaymayMadeIt.com, and Amber will start answering those in the morning. All right, guys, I'm super excited. I hope you are excited for this event. Everything is birthday themed. We're doing, well, I can't say that. We're doing a lot of birthday themed stuff, and Lisa's also doing a photo folio. Kim is doing this really cool card box that has a one-sheet wonder. I think she's making 12 or 14 cards to go in that card box. I'm doing an explosion box that would be a great gift for somebody, and backed by popular demand, Brenda's doing a vintage photo album. So you're going to get the vintage linen and lace that she does. You're going to love it. The Make It Go Round, if you've never attended one of those before, there are, I think we're making 10 or 11 crafts in that one. I can't remember exactly, but it's 10 or 11 crafts in the Make It Go Round. And that birthday bash, prizes and games galore. So if you'd like to go and see more information about the classes, what will be available, you can do that at the website now. Now, you cannot purchase now, and the bundles will say sold out until we actually put the quantity in, and that will be for tomorrow. We'll put that quantity in tomorrow, and then you can start purchasing. But for tonight, if you go in until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, they'll show sold out. Okay, guys, I'm super excited to craft with you guys over my 50th birthday week. We're going to celebrate big. We're going to craft hard, and it's going to be super, super fun. And until next time, bye now.